In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage a dispute on Alibaba to ensure a smooth and satisfactory resolution. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your Alibaba account. To do this, open up your Chrome browser, head over to the Alibaba website, and enter your login credentials. If you're having trouble remembering your login information, try checking any saved passwords in your browser or use the Forgot Password option provided by Alibaba to reset it. Once you've successfully logged into your account, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the My Orders section. On this page, you'll see a list of all your recent orders. Browse through and find the order that you have an issue with. This is where you'll initiate the dispute process, so it's important to ensure you've selected the correct order. Now look for the option that says Open Dispute or Request Refund. This button is usually located next to the order details. Clicking this will take you to a form where you will begin detailing the nature of your dispute. It's crucial to provide as much information as possible here. Be specific about the issue, whether it's a delayed delivery, received goods that don't match the description, or any other concern that might prompt a dispute. As you fill out the dispute form, attach any supporting documents that could strengthen your case. These might include photos of the product received, screenshots of conversations with the supplier, or any other relevant documentation. Remember, the goal here is to provide a clear and comprehensive picture of the problem, which will help Alibaba understand and process your request efficiently. Once you've completed the form and attached your documents, go ahead and submit the dispute. This will officially open up a line of communication with the supplier through Alibaba's Dispute Center. You'll be able to message back and forth with the supplier to negotiate a resolution. It's essential to remain professional and clear in your communications. Look at this not just as a conflict, but as a collaborative effort to find a fair solution for both parties. Keep in mind that disputes can take some time to resolve, so patience and persistence are key. Stay on top of the communication and follow up regularly until you reach a satisfactory resolution. If you find that the negotiations with the supplier aren't leading to a resolution, or if the supplier is unresponsive, don't hesitate to escalate the issue through Alibaba's official procedures for such instances. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to opening and managing a dispute on Alibaba. With these steps, you should be well equipped to handle disputes professionally and effectively, ensuring your rights as a customer are protected. Thanks for watching. And until next time, good luck with your disputes.